Top ongoing megaprojects in Tonga. This is Tonga, a small island nation in the South Pacific. Tonga might be small, but it is home to some ambitious megaprojects. In this video, we'll take a look at the top ongoing megaprojects in Tonga and see how they're transforming the country. Before we start, it should be noted that some of these projects are currently underway, while some are already completed or are almost completed, and some are already completed as we speak. Now let's get started.
Number 12.
Tonga Power Grid Upgrade. A $100 million project called the Tonga Power Grid Upgrade will modernize the Tonga power grid. The improved power grid will be more dependable and capable of producing more electricity. The improved power infrastructure will also contribute to a decrease in power outages, which will enhance Tonga's population's standard of living. Government funding as well as donations are used to support the initiative.
Number 11.
Nuku'alofa Port Expansion. The $50 million Nuku'alofa Port Expansion project will increase the port's ability to accommodate bigger ships. Cruise ships will be able to dock at the enlarged port, boosting Tonga's tourist industry. Additionally, the port's capacity to handle more cargo will enhance economic ties with other nations. Government funding as well as donations are used to support the initiative.
Number 10.
Tonga Highway Rehabilitation. The $200 million Tonga Highway Rehabilitation Project will repair the nation's principal thoroughfares. The rebuilt roadways will increase connection and road safety, facilitating travel throughout the nation. Access to vital services like healthcare and education will be made easier by the roadways that have been renovated. Government funding as well as donations are used to support the initiative.
Number 9.
Tonga Tourism Infrastructure. New tourism infrastructure will be built all around the country as part of the Tonga Tourism Infrastructure Project. The undertaking is anticipated to cost $100 million and should be finished soon. Government and donor funding are being used to support the Tonga Tourism Infrastructure Project. The Tourism Ministry is carrying out the initiative. The Tonga Tourism Infrastructure Project will help Tonga grow economically and draw more tourists. Additionally, the initiative will assist in enhancing Tonga's workforce and standard of living.
Number 8.
Tonga Water Supply Improvement. A $50 million project called the Tonga Water Supply Improvement would enhance the country's water supply. More people will have access to clean water thanks to the upgraded water supply, which will also enhance water quality. The increased water supply will also aid in lowering the number of waterborne illnesses, hence enhancing Tonga's population's health. Government funding as well as donations are used to support the initiative.
Number 7.
Tonga Wastewater Treatment Plant. A crucial piece of infrastructure, the Tonga Wastewater Treatment Plant will boost Tonga's water quality and cut down on pollution. The facility will process wastewater from Nuku'alofa, the capital city, and its environs, assisting in the effort to stop the flow of untreated wastewater into the ocean. The facility is slated to be finished in 2025 and is anticipated to cost $100 million to build. The government of Tonga and the Asian Development Bank are working together on the Tonga Wastewater Treatment Plant. The facility will be constructed in 2 stages, the first of which should be finished soon. The project's second phase is anticipated to be finished in 2025. The Tonga Wastewater Treatment Plant is a significant project that will have a major impact on the environment and the health of the people of Tonga. The plant will help to improve water quality, reduce pollution, and protect public health.
Number 6.
Tonga Education Infrastructure. Construction of new schools and renovations to existing ones will take place nationwide as part of the Tonga Education Infrastructure Project. The project is slated to be finished in 2026 and is projected to cost $200 million. Government and donor money is being used to support the Tonga Education Infrastructure Project. The Ministry of Education and Training is running the initiative. All Tonga children will have better access to school thanks to the Tonga School Infrastructure Initiative. The initiative will also aid in raising Tonga's educational standards.
Number 5.
Tonga Health Infrastructure. Another significant initiative will see the building of new hospitals and clinics, as well as the renovation of already existing hospitals and clinics around the nation as part of the Tonga Health Infrastructure Project. The project is slated to be finished in 2025 and is anticipated to cost $100 million. Government and donor funding are being used to support the Tonga Health Infrastructure Project. The Ministry of Health is carrying out the initiative. All Tonga residents will have easier access to health care thanks to the Tonga Health Infrastructure Initiative. Additionally, the research will contribute to bettering Tonga's healthcare system.
Number 4.
Tonga sports and recreation facilities. The country of Tonga will get new sports and leisure facilities thanks to the smaller-scale Tonga Sports and Leisure Facilities project. The undertaking is anticipated to cost $50 million and should be finished soon. Funding for the Tonga Sports and Recreation Facilities project comes from both the government and donors. The Ministry of Sports and Recreation is carrying out the project. The Tonga Sports and Recreation Facilities project will contribute to the promotion of physical fitness and the enhancement of neighborhood well-being. Additionally, the initiative will assist in bringing visitors to Tonga.
Number 3.
Tonga-Tapu International Airport expansion. The runway and terminal building at Tonga-Tapu International Airport will be enlarged as part of a $100 million redevelopment. Tonga will be able to draw more visitors and strengthen economic ties with other nations thanks to the extended runway's ability to handle larger planes like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. More people will be able to go through the terminal building, which will enhance the entire travel experience for tourists to Tonga. Government funding as well as donations are used to support the initiative.
Number 2.
Tonga Digital Infrastructure. The Tonga Digital Infrastructure project will develop Tonga's digital infrastructure in order to increase internet access and connection. This project is critical for Tonga's economic development since it will enable businesses to function more effectively and connect with consumers all over the world. It will also boost access to education and healthcare, as well as contribute to the reduction of Tonga's digital divide. The project will include the building of new telecommunications towers, the installation of new fiber optic cables, and the enhancement of existing infrastructure. It is projected to generate jobs and stimulate the economy. The initiative is supported by a mix of government and donor monies.
Number 1.
Tonga Climate Change Adaptation. The Tonga Climate Change Adaptation Project will develop climate change adaptation measures in Tonga in order to lessen the country's susceptibility to the effects of climate change. Building seawalls to protect coastal towns from floods, strengthening water management systems to deal with droughts, and planting trees to reduce the effects of climate change are among the steps that will be implemented. The project is critical for Tonga's long-term viability since it will aid in the country's defense against the consequences of climate change. It is also crucial for the country's economy since it will assist to lower the cost of climate change damage. The initiative is supported by a mix of government and donor monies. These projects are transforming the country, and they're sure to have a major impact on the lives of Tongans for years to come. If you're interested in learning more about these projects, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content about megaprojects from around the world.